Hi, I'm Shannon with WTI.
This magnetic calendar from the brand Pug Dodo has helped me and my husband to stay more organized and more on top of things. I really like how easy this is to install, as there's nothing really to it. It is magnetic, it just goes right on your fridge. And everything that it comes with also goes right on the fridge. The eraser is magnetic and the marker holder is also magnetic. It comes with these 4 markers that are really vibrant in color and so nice to write with. They're like these chalky markers. It's a different kind of feeling when writing with them. I really like it. I also like how this doesn't detract from the beauty of my kitchen or the beauty of my fridge, as it is just like see-through. I like how easy it is also, like if I mess up, which the chances are high of me doing that it's so easy to erase and start over.
So if you're looking for something that's going to help you in your quest to stay more organized, then I would suggest buying this. But that's just my point of view.